so I could use some more plants.
Oops. Oh no, not again.
Apparently, I'm a plant murderer. How do I keep these plants alive? They just keep dying.
Okay, now that we've placed the Bluetooth sensor into the soil, we go into the app to set it up. So we click sync all and add the new device. So it's a Bluetooth device, so it'll scan for that signal. Once the signal's been found, we go add plant, and then we search through the list of different plants for the lily that we're adding, and we pick the right lily from our categories. So it searches through its database and finds the lily bellum, which is one we're looking for, and we select that, and it shows you all the different features of that plant, so you can find out a bit more about it, and then you go complete when you're happy with it. Then once you've set that up, it then shows you the different parameters for that plant, and you can see here it's telling us that the soil moisture is low and that the plant needs to be watered, and that's exactly what we're going to do. And no plant needlessly died again.